That's no good. The belt's to snap and then it starts to just weed whack. That's what causes that. When it weed whacks, we think of all these components up here. You know, vacuum lines, coolant hoses, even coolant pipes that are plastic. If that belt rips while the vehicle is in motion, it can rip vacuum lines, it can rip the coolant lines, and then you have more of an issue rather than just a belt.
So basically, this one came in for a check engine light. So through processing the codes through the SDS with the computer, we come to find out that the heating element of the DEF tank has a malfunction and we must replace it. It's a part of the emission systems, which is pretty important. Okay, if not caught in time, it'll hit stage 2, which means it'll start a countdown timer. And the countdown timer is how many starts you have left remaining. So it'll go from 10 starts all the way down to 0 starts. Once it gets to 0, it'll hit limp mode, complete limp mode, and it'll be 5 mph crawl. Limp mode is a system designed for these diesel engines to protect the engine from a catastrophic failure. Limp mode can shut down power up to 75%, 25%, 50%. So I have to start with draining it. Oil catch, but we're not putting it in the oil catch. Only oil can go in the oil catch.
I'm just using it as
a stand. Step 2 will come after it's all drained. There's a couple connectors and some this rubber hose. This line off, which goes all the way to the front of the engine, so we can take these straps down. And then basically the tank will be ready to drop, and we can work on extracting the heating element out and putting the new one back in. So we're gonna go ahead, drop the tank, swap out that heating element, and get this car back on the road.